Good evening, guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about how saving $27 a day can change your life. And in this video, I'm going to share with you actionable steps on how to save $27 per day, which equates to about $10,000 per year. Going forward. The first one I'd like to mention is a direct deposit that we have available to us as we work for our employers. We can use it as a financial tool to score sign-up bonuses with banks. There are over 4,000 banks in the United States of America, and many of them will offer you incentives or bonuses to sign up with them. Some as high as $500, $600 just for doing small steps like direct deposit and small spend bonuses. A great way to get started in that is to participate in the bank sign-up bonus community. You can subscribe to Doctor of Credit, the Money Ninja, and bankbonus.com. Those websites are full of information on how to get started on the bank sign-up bonus community. Doctor of Credit will allows you to receive daily emails on bank sign-up bonuses and other ways to sign up. I do that myself, and I find it very useful without having to dig through the websites and other ways to participate. Another great option to save money is to reduce your transportation costs. Either check with your employer to see if they offer a work from home option or a hybrid option, which allows you just to go in the office a few days a week. The money saved on wear and tear and gas, new tires on your vehicle is in the thousands per year. Um, One option I use I do have a Toyota, and they do offer a free oil change once per year, and I do take advantage of it because I'm not really driving as much as I am working from home and don't have to fill my car with gas or have expenses on maintenance. Changing your oil filter, your cabin air filter, and headlight bulbs yourself. Those are very easy things that we as consumers can do. Vehicles are much easier to access and do these things ourselves. There's no sense in paying a dealership to do those things that you can do yourself. So do that if you can. Forward. Um, Another option, canceling your subscriptions. I've signed up for Netflix myself. I've had Disney Plus. I've had gym memberships. All those things I've canceled. Just these three things are about $30 per month. And I just use YouTube and other free options on Amazon. Items that are free. There are free movies on YouTube that you can watch that you spend money on. Um, Exercising, buying a water pick, flossing, brushing your teeth twice a day, don't smoke, eat healthy. This definitely saves you on money on medical costs. I can't tell you. I think I've had like three times when I've had a cap, had to replace three times going to a dentist just by working in the office and eating things I probably shouldn't have been doing. Another way to save money is to do local things that are free, like go for a walk, visit a local beach, go to your library to check out a book. Those items are free. One item I do keep, because it does save me time, is the Walmart Plus subscription. Having groceries delivered to my home and not having to go to the store has saved me a tremendous amount of time. Just a short 5-minute drive to my local Walmart is about 45 minutes total. That includes shopping, parking, and commute time. Um, so I'm keeping that. It's definitely worth the expense to me. It's $98 per month. But other websites, with Rakuten and Amex, they offer offers where you can get that for free. Going forward, if you do work in an office, there are other ways that you can save money. Don't go to Starbucks. Drink your office coffee. It's free. Bring your lunch and snacks to work. During lunch, you can participate in the bank sign-up bonus community. Look for bank bonuses on the Doctor of Credit, bankbonus.com, Money Ninja. All those are ways for you to look for opportunities to make money for free. You'd be surprised how much money banks are giving away for free just by doing small actionable steps on your own. Just avoid the temptation to go shopping, looking around because there's just so many things to spend our money on nowadays. It's not even funny. To quote Dave Ramsey, if you do work in an office, you have to dress professionally. Use the clothes that you have. Don't always go shopping like every other week looking for new clothes. Replace tennis shoes that you don't really need. The ones you have work fine. It's an easy temptation, but just use the clothes you have and reuse them. Take care of them. Um, that saved me lots of money because I don't have to buy clothes anymore because I'm working from home. I don't have to buy clothes and worry about that. Going forward, um, don't let's see. If you haven't had any accidents or traffic tickets in the past 3 years, and your insurance is high, shop around for insurance. You'll see a drastic decrease in your monthly premium or your premium every 6 months, which is how I play it. Um, Take an online defensive driving class. Save 5% for 3 years. I actually took one. It cost me $12. It took me about an hour to complete the course, and I got a 5% discount on my premium. Another thing to do once you start, implementing these steps to save money is to open an interest-bearing savings account. I use UFB, but there are many of them out there that are letting you save at a 4% interest rate. So put that money to work and start saving money instead of having credit cards charge you interest. Increase your savings gradually. If you're able to do just $50 a week or $25 a week, it's something. So just contribute a little bit at a time and increase it as you can. A lot of banks do offer roundup savings, like an app through a debit card, even paying for one, just to help get that ball rolling and your savings amount increased, even if it's Stash or Acorns. You'd be surprised how quickly you can save $500 to $1,000. Within a month or two, you'd be surprised. You'd have that money available, and you could transfer that money over to an interest-bearing account, and just keep the ball rolling and get to that $27 a day target rather quickly. That's just one other step you can take. Let's see, other ways to increase your income. I would look for ways to increase, if you work overtime at your employer, or look for promotion opportunities for your employer. Um, there may be opportunities for you to increase your salary and earn more income. Don't be afraid to look for side hustles. I mentioned a few of them here. Car washing business, you can do that on the weekends. House cleaning, pressure washing. There's a person locally that does pressure washing trash cans for a $10 trash can, and they earn $30 because everyone here has 3 trash cans. So those are just several ways that you can help increase your earnings and therefore increase your savings. Going forward, this is just a current snapshot of what I have saved for the month of November. Right now, I am contributing $125 per week into my UFB savings account. There's a 4.31% APY that I'm earning on the account. I also transfer $25 per week into my Webull. That's $125 per month. M1 Finance, which is a savings app that invests into the stock market, that is $175 per month or $35 per week. Ally Financial, I am doing $20 per month. I'm sorry, $20 per week, which is $80 per month. The Capital Roundup app that I have, it currently charges a monthly fee of about I want to say like $6. I've had it since 2018, and I'm grandfathered in. I don't have to pay any monthly fees, and this has really helped me save a lot of money. For the month of November, I saved $339.80. So for the total month of November, I'm at about $1,219.80. And all that money, I save and I put in interest-bearing accounts, and I just keep the ball rolling. So I hope you have found this information useful and you can implement just a few of these things in your daily life. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave a comment in the description, or you can email me at orig58@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.